I am Charith.
I am Sudhit. And I am Kanishka. We are the edu enthusiasts.
We are studying in Class 8, ATL Public School, Koorgalli.
We have designed an innovative classroom game in which teachers can customize. It has a tic-tac-toe board and an app which presents multiple choice questions. Whenever the player answers correctly, he gets a tic-tac-toe piece.
The game has a tic-tac-toe board and an app which presents multiple choice questions. When the player answers correctly, they get a tic-tac-toe piece.
To design a solution, we looked at papers on game-based learning and the importance of technical training for teachers. We also surveyed the teachers in our school. They said they use a lot of games in the classroom and they are able to reuse some of the games. Most of them had not designed any games and were not familiar with block coding. All of them were interested in creating a customized app.
Learning. Our game has a tic-tac-toe board and pieces. Everyone knows how to play tic-tac-toe. The game comes with a manual which explains how to customize the app and to create a spreadsheet. It also explains how to write good multiple choice questions. To use the game in the classroom, the teacher prepares the spreadsheet, scans the QR code to download the app, and then customizes the app. The teacher can use the app to present multiple choice questions to the class. There are also laminated tic-tac-toe sheets which can be used by the whole class to play the game in pairs. To make the game, we 3D printed the blocks and we made the board using Sunboard. We painted the board and designed stickers for the box.
We created the app using MIT App Inventor. We used the spreadsheet component to write the questions. The app flow was done by using procedures.
If selected for the top 400, we will add more question forms, not just multiple choice questions. We will add a leaderboard for teachers. We will maintain a common database for all the questions created by the teachers who use the app.
I hope that this game helps teachers make their lessons interactive while improving their technical skills. Thank you.